Alright guys, so I've got this. I'm going to show you how I have mine currently set up. It's just a updated USB port. I like it. Shows the battery voltage here. Super clean. But I have a secret. I don't have it wired in as good as I could. So I finally got my connectors and we're going to wire this and connect it. So it's all plug and play. It's going to be awesome. As you can see, I just had those two spades chopped down and connected to that connector. Just because, well, they're legit. Just was not enough room. So, well, that and I didn't really have the proper things. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on the new splice on this. We've got it all plugged in. We've got our USBs mounted. You have to slightly oversize this hole just ever so slightly. It's like a millimeter that you have to make it bigger. We've got our harness and we've got our direct plug. So now all we got to do is just click it right in. So it should just go. Hard to do this with one hand. Oh. It's because I have it upside down. And now that's wired. Now we'll go ahead, turn on the key. Good to go. We got battery voltage displayed. Also when the car's on, it shows charging voltage. And now you'll have two USBs to help modernize the inside of your Spec V. And I got to tuck this rat's nest back in here and splice it. That's something to do with the top bin, pretty sure. Just a whole bunch of extra wires. So don't mind that. This, much cleaner. Easy way to do it and super easy. Plug and play.